This week on How To Tuesday, I'm going to teach you how to do this beach wave.
Starting at the nape of the neck, take sections about an inch wide. Spray with the light hold hairspray. Take sections about 1 inch thick and start from mid-shaft, work your way to the ends. No need to hold the iron on for more than about 3 seconds. Spray again with your hairspray of choice. Keep curling your 1 inch sections away from the face until you've finished with the hair. Quick spray. Take a glossing cream of choice and smooth it through the curls. This is going to make it look really seamless and effortless. Tousle it through the hair. Call Chez Salon and book your styling appointment today.